And offer donations. Third table along, if you haven't got your own high-vis or haven't already, we'll fit you up in high-vis. And the traffic stewards, you've got a special high-vis vest with the long sleeves, so if you're waving your arms at cars, they can see you. And then finally on the end, for each traffic steward team, Archie down there will have a radio for you, so make sure you get all of that kit. So, you are representing, we are all representing Staffordshire farmers, Staffordshire young farmers and the whole farming community today. And unlike the usual driving through villages with tractors and getting moans at, hopefully we'll be fairly welcome tonight. The team names are all alphabet names, because we can't hear them very clear on the radio at times. You'll see that they would use a phonetic alphabet, alpha 1 turns on. And on your turns list, you'll see that, for example, there's an A1 and an A2. So Alpha 1 has got 2 turns. We've mapped it all out, so you've got plenty of time to get from one turn to the next, kind of skipping by or around the back of the convoy. We will keep in touch. Please keep in touch to say you're on site, the convoy's arriving, the last convoy's gone past, and so on. And yeah, just so we can trace it all. When we are dealing with motorists, we have no powers whatsoever other than powers of persuasion and just a smile. And so basically, can we just ask you, be polite, smile, explain why we're asking them to wait. We don't want them stuck in the middle of a convoy. We don't want them trying to squeeze down a narrow lane while the tractor's coming the other way. It's for their own benefit. We are, just a reminder, raising money for Staffordshire Young Farmers and Birmingham Children's Hospital tonight. So 2 worthwhile charities there. We reckon there's nearly 100 tractors, so we reckon about 15 minutes for the convoy to pass at any one point. And just remember a quick thank you when we eventually allow them to move on. What we don't want is cars breaking into the convoy and getting stuck in the middle. And when we're at junctions as well, if you can stop the traffic either side and wave the convoy through so they don't all stop and give way when they don't need to, keep the convoy rolling. Obviously, if there's any blue light vehicles out there, they have to take priority. We've just got to do what we can. We haven't got too many narrow lanes tonight. We have been out and we have been monitoring the state of the route for fallen trees and floods and so on, and we're glad to report there's nothing happening at the moment. So, yeah, once again, thank you all very much. And some of those earlier teams, for the likes of Syford and Darlington, you need to be away from here before the tractors start to leave at 5 o'clock. So, please bear that in mind. Thank you all once again very much for helping us to run this massive event, and hope you enjoy it. If there's any questions, we've got all kinds of stewards on the desk, and myself, I'll stay here for a little while to take any more questions. Thank you. Tractor drivers will also have a little chat bit later on, so don't go away just yet. Thank you.